Good. Good. Way to be there. Go. Stay. Come on.
Just instead of keeping up with them too.
There.
You can get your man hurt.
Right center.
Hey, we're all here. Katie's walking up now.
Got you.
Turn two. Hold on. Is it me or you? I think you have me up there. No. Brian, you can go there if you're ready.
Hold on. Hey, shot, Brian. Yeah, you have Shonda as 3.
You have me at 3. I don't know. You guys did it. Contest 3. Ryan, you're up next. No, he's after. I mean, we can switch. It doesn't matter, though. Oh, no, dude. I don't know. I know. It's only in.
I mean, I should have taken it, but he's saying the same thing.
Here we go.
Brian's the one that wrote the paper, so.
There you go.
Will wrote the paper and sends it to him.
And he takes a picture of the officer.
Turn two. There you go. We'll take that. Way to be there. Hey, way to focus. 9. 2 down. 2 down. Good. Way to stay.
Still didn't know that either.
So you didn't look at it? Kind of know. I just put it on the phone.
She had the ball.
You got runner.
She was standing on the plate with the ball. So you either got to give yourself up or slide. Instead of doing either, Vic tried to jump over the glove. When he jumped over, he hit the glove, the ball fell out, and Steve called him safe. And he should have been out. And he wasn't. He said, I didn't see him jump.
Ball deep. 3-1.
I saw him jump from here.
Nope, never.
James Grove. What up?
There you go!
Is that Bud Light?
Ball count one away!
Bronson hits with it. Really good.
Kill. Way to be there. We're good. Hey, 2 out. 1, 2, 3.
Here
we go. Hit 3. Here we go. Tom.
Tom's playing second? Oh, shit.
Brian said right.
Oh, shit.
There we go.
Phil left his container and asked me to find it, so I took it to that bag and I was like, I'm going to turn this to 30. You can't have alcohol. And I'm talking this inside.
Hey! Good job. Hey. You're going to take.
He just has a list.
Right.
He just has a list.
Right.
Hey, can I hit?
We're down.
That game that we played, oh my God. Still remember. He threw so high, there was no place for me to go except middle, and I went through his legs and he took it to Frank, what are you trying to do? Kill me? And I'm like, it was
You don't
weird.
want any more kids, do you?
Yeah, that's what the kids play for, buddy.
Hey!
Just wait till you get them all into your podcast.
Full count, one away.
Tell him, JD, tell him.
Come on. Come on, great eye. Here we go. Take.
Yeah, but I mean, Vic's wife should have finished. She just lets it get at even more.
Ball. Shoot, you out of the way.
Don't talk to me, man. Talk to me. You want me to shut up? You tell me.
Full count, one away.
She don't back down.
Yep. Full count, gotta be. Out of three. Time. 2 down. Time. We got 2 down. Come on, Mike. Get it in. Time.
Help. Kickbox from Starbucks.
We got 2 down.
What do you
Those
butter
look-
maple?
Oh, that's good. What's your favorite?
Strike.
Lemon? No.
No. The lemon.
No.
Two on the way.
When would I have gotten Starbucks?
Ball.
Oh.
Full count, one away.
Put that in a Ziploc.
out here, dog. Two down. And three.
Is that
Here we go. Grind thing, get ready. Come on. There you go. Hey. Beautiful. Oh. Full count, one away. Grind thing. Here we go. Turn 2. JJ. Make sure it's you, Tommy. Here we go. Catch. Time. Way to be there. Dave. Ball, 2-1. Kill it. Done. We're down. There you go, easy out. Hey, good communication. Wait. Take the first pitch. Come home, Vic. Come home, Vic. Yeah. Let's go! 3, no runs! Come on! Here we go!
I didn't know Farrah was here.
Huh?
Farrah was here?
The what?
Farrah was here?
Zero was in there.
Farrah.
Come on!
Yeah, she didn't come say hi? She asked me where you were at. I said, you're over on field 2, scorekeeping where the umbrella was. She goes, I want to go say hi to her. She didn't say anything.
Go! Good read. Done. Hey, come on now. Go. Outfield home, go home. Basic, go home. Nobody. Ball 20. Home.
The house I grew up in is selling at $1.6 million. It was put on the market for 107 days. The big deal got killed. I was down there with Wallet, please.
Nobody.
Jesus. Holy shit.
Go on. Hey!
Good.
2 out of the way.
Bad, just simple stuff.
Great. I was 2. Time. We're down. Hey, I'm at the plate, John. I'm at the plate. Watch the plate if it's not easy. We got 1 down. Home! Yeah. We got 2
Send my
down.
dad an email, so I didn't want it on me.
Ball 2.
Is she ready?
Huh?
Is she ready?
Go!
Are you sure you're right?
Outfield, home, home.
Oh,
2 down, hold them.
you keep on God.
Kill! Ball, 2 on. There you go! It's okay. Oh! Hey! Watch him coming. Time! Go, PJ!
Go 1, 2 down. Outfield hit second.
Yep. Yes, PJ! Yes, PJ!
Home, home. Home.
Let's go, baby! Wow. Wow. But not a red home. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. Come on, 2 on. Take! I told it. I told it. There we
Beat
go.
up. Went to you, Jake.
Ball, 2 on. There one. Take 2. Yep.
Back, 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 back.
Yes!
Yeah, he had it, he had it.
Time. You got time. Yeah. He's right. Dylan's a bad guy, but not that bad guy.
Rachel Burn.
Thanks, I think.
1 down.
We got 1 down. Ball, 2 on. Don't hit the base. Time, 2 down. Let's go, baby boy. Here we go.
There you go.
Take.
Great pitch. David.
Yes. All right.
Text me to say if you have the kid yet. It's 21-2 in the first
Go.
game.
How would that even work?
She called you over there and tell you.
Yeah.
Like a foot cover and D-rack.
Here we go.
Flipping the home field,
Bob, come on.
Good eye. Oh. There you go. Good ball.
Mike's from
When is he not?
Oh, let's go, boy.
Hey, way to get it, Mike.
Sounds like they use too.
Go. Hey.
Good.
See you, Kev. Come on now. Two on the way.
Oh my goodness. Out there about me.
22-2 in the second.
Foul ball.
All you have to do is turn into it, dude. It would have gave you the right trajectory. Yeah, yeah.
2-2 must be fair. Foul ball, but it's out.
Should have made him get it. I believe in you.
Come one down.
I want him to tell you with the ball.
Blackhawks, I think that's the pitcher.
Go on.
For pitching for them.
This one's fighting your friend.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
All good. Boy. Time. Come on now.
Which tomorrow game will be good.
Go.
They got good pitching.
Have a two. Time. Two down. Here we go. Strike. Ball. Two on the way. Full count on the way. Ball, 2-1. There one.
I didn't know Michael was Armenian. I didn't know you were Armenian.
I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know that whatever goals they pull in the field, they cut.
90% of the time, they're really good about it. Just for the last week, it's been a little bit spotty.
Oh,
So
count
I'm
one
just
away.
following up specifically, and as people are coming off, I see some goals on there. So I go, okay, let's just be direct about it. Also, partly because I'm in the group that's up there, up here in the morning, and I don't want to move the goals off the field in the morning. So, for purely selfish reasons. I want to make sure that gets handled next week. If they forget, so be it. But not
No,
tonight.
you make them go move them.
Well, next week is next Wednesday's like my last day for at least a month. So that's why I don't care after that.
He's going on hiatus.
Taking a breather.
What? Him? Oh,
Same
I
thing.
thought I was talking about soccer. Not you.
No.
I'm sorry. I thought I was talking about
Like
soccer.
Frank, I hope you know.
No,
I hope you step on a
I thought you
Lego.
was talking about soccer. No, it wasn't you. I thought you was talking about
No,
soccer.
you're good. You're good.
I'm
No,
looking at Frank like, what the fuck?
no, I'm taking a breather. I'm starting school in a couple of weeks, and so with that being the case, I'm taking at least August off. I'll take a look for September and then figure out scheduling after that.
Thank God.
Good. Good.
Kim's a little irritated with the score over there.
Yeah.
Kim
Unfortunate.
gets stuck on the Lego.
You ready, JJ?
I hope both sides of your pillows are warm.
Go!
Thank God.
Thank God.
Go on.
Thank God. GAWD. Can I see the Foothill Plumbing roster? Is this Foothill Plumbing?
Yeah. Who you looking for?
There was a guy who used to play in one of our basketball leagues. His name was Cliffrow, Aaron Cliffrow.
He's not here.
I wasn't sure if it's the same team or not, but I thought it was Tuesday. Like, I know who he is, his name is spelled literally Cliffrow, so that makes me giggle a little bit.
Oh, sweet.
Thomas, be ready. Thomas, be ready.
It makes me laugh.
James, be ready.
Tickles his fancy little.
We go.
No, it's, so every once in a while, just seeing the crossover events are kind of fun.
That's what you want.
You're still
I have no clue.
Pick any Armenian team. I'm pretty sure you had crossover.
Please.
I will say no comment.
Didn't you know that was his brother?
Aram, I like Aram so much. I like Aram so much. I just wish they would be I wish they would just handle their stuff just a little bit better so I wouldn't have to say anything. Nice guy. Genuinely. So at one point, when we first started picking back up for our softball leagues after the pandemic, they would have a couple of dudes who were like older gentlemen who were smoking like right behind the two things. And I took a photo of it and sent it to Gabrielle and Will saying, hey, this is what's happening. And they sent it over to Aram, and Aram like lost his like shit, but not in a, like towards me. He was like, oh my God, if that ever happens again, you let me know, you take a photo, we'll ban these people. And then they didn't happen again because they all started smoking in the parking lot. Which didn't solve the problem, but I always found that to be a very fun solution to a very silly problem in the first place.
Jess. I haven't tasted them yet. I will though. I will.
Come on. Down. Who's that, Thomas? We're down.
So many demons.
Nice, JD.
Yes, I need that hard.
Jay. Maju. Okay. Lead up. Here we go. Ball to one. Don't pull a hammy, Mike. Great one. There you go. Time. Ready to be alert.
By the way, the play earlier
Yeah.
with Steve, I would go the other. I would have made the other call.
Here we go.
I
Keep
told him.
staying, Brian.
I would have gone the other way.
You can't. It's in the rules. You can't hurdle.
Oh, not even. Oh, so the play that
You
even.
can't jump over. You
Down.
can't jump over. And the fact
go,
that the girl
Frank.
caught the ball and was a catcher,
Yeah.
you can't do that.
Hey, watch your
And you
line.
do it in college, like
Yeah.
kind of frequently. Literally, they do it kind of frequently. It's not common. At bare minimum, it's not common.
Come on.
Like, so it happens unless it's like all the highlight plays are just giant outs, which would be really annoying.
Really?
I don't think right about that. None of his umpires know that rule.
It's in the book.
There you go.
He reads the book.
Hey!
I don't read the book. I don't even know the rules. I don't sometimes.
Well, count one away.
You have the book?
No, no.
No book. There's no book. There is no book. The book doesn't exist.
He's on.
That's a good husband you got there. It's a good spouse you got there. Thank God.
Still fucked up the call this game too. So.
No one's perfect. We're not going to insist anybody's perfect.
I don't make any mistakes. I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know about that. I think we can have agree to disagree. I think there may be a call here and there where I would have gone a different way.
There may be a call, but I know the rule. There's a difference.
I do agree with that, but technically who knows the rules too is Robert Zuniga.
Whoa!
He knows the rules,
He knows the rules.
Just can't make the right call.
but his application of them is a little bit
Right.
interesting. But he knows the rules inside and out. He knows positioning. His technical know-how is second to none. But his application of it.
He's on.
Hey, don't waste one. Give one.
Get two on the way.
Wait, who's tomorrow? Is it Robert? Tomorrow?
Where?
Anywhere.
I'm in Montrose, Fred's
Whoa!
here,
Well,
and
count one
Father's
away.
Half in.
You just didn't want to deal with the two.
Robert only works Tuesdays.
No, it was like saying you didn't want to deal with the two, huh? It's like Montrose is where it's at.
No.
Heads up!
Heads up.
So who's at Gloriana? Is there one gamer?
No, there wasn't one.
Oh, for tomorrow. Is Dave Miller?
No, they're I'll look it up.
Okay.
An 8.
No bud.
It's been going for an hour. I love it.
Well, count got to beat.
There you go.
I have my own milkshake to go drink. I don't want to do it.
Do now.
Yeah, I put apple, peach, and pineapple. Mix it up a little bit.
Still look like baby.
No, it looks. I used a different protein powder, so it's white. It genuinely looks like just.
There is
Baby food,
no
baby.
one gamer tomorrow
maybe.
or
Hey,
Thursday.
give him a little. He's got some pop.
Here we go.
That actually makes life easy. Cool.
You're working tomorrow?
But don't be afraid to
It's
throw
Tuesday.
one.
Ball 2-1.
No, tomorrow.
Throw him a
We're
couple.
working tomorrow.
Go.
You are? For who?
You say, I'm just
Himself.
understanding you.
He's working for himself.
No. But Wednesdays you normally don't work on Wednesdays.
I do work every Wednesday.
Give him one.
I work every Wednesday for like
With
the past-
Steve?
So no, it was Anthony for a while. Now it's Drew.
Oh.
So tonight I'm filling in for Steve because it's Noah and Steve.
Oh, okay.
That's why he's throwing
That's
off.
right.
Yeah, it seems like another extra day off. Yeah.
No,
Does
we're
it help you gain weight?
Yes, actually, I'm actually putting on. Again, it's not supposed to be like 30 pounds in 2 weeks. That's really unhealthy. A pound a week is where you want to be, and I'm roughly right around where I want to be. And the thing is, I'm actually lifting weights, and the weights are going up. And some of them, I just haven't hit my max point yet. But some of the ones I'm struggling with, I'm actually seeing growth. I'm actually seeing like, oh, I couldn't do that before. Now I can do that. And so I'm seeing the benefit. It just requires consistency. It's just toughing out things for a long period of
Dad,
time.
grab that bat. Here we go.
Well, we're at Montrose tomorrow, so
Flat hitter.
Montrose. So who's up? Do you know who's up here then? It's Kim and then probably.
I don't know.
Liz? No, Liz is not here tomorrow. I don't think. I don't know.
Like I'd have to guess.
Gabo
I'd say
and
Esme.
Fred. And then we're at Montrose.
Probably Esme.
I couldn't tell you for certain. Esme,
Or Grace.
maybe Grace. Maybe Grace, maybe Kylie. Probably Grace. PBD.
As long as I don't have to see the Armenian team.
Here we go.
Shit.
Wait, is that race?
Ball 2-1.
Francis.
And they were 4 for 2.
Do they really?
I did that. Yeah, also 4 for 2.
Email Will tomorrow. Oh, do you already know about it? Do you know who's supposed to be paid for it?
I can
I'm not gonna remember to tell Will about it. And so if you email Will, he'll take a look. It's the one thing he's so good about. Is his email is awesome. And I found out why he does that. He's so good at it's a CYA thing in my opinion. He's very good at like if that way there's any miscommunication, it's in writing, and he's very thorough about that. And I will say I understand that, which means he's probably been burned by not doing that once. So he said, I'm just going to put it all in writing. And so it's not a bad idea.
Yeah, because I'm still old 455 years old.
I mean, I'm kind of missing stuff too. But, you know, we do the best we can. Good luck with that. That's pre-COVID. Pre-COVID, after COVID. Though everybody knows after COVID, no blank balances.
Obviously, he is quiet again. Again.
How many forfeit fees are you owed, Frank? How many games?
3.
What's the oldest
2
one?
from 5 years ago.
What's the old? What about before then?
No,
No, you said 2, but you have 3 games you're owed for 2 games.
I'm still owed 1 from last season.
1 from last season. That's the last one. Okay.
And then I had Lost Boys from 5 years ago, and Sprinkle.
Sprinkle is a name I don't think I've ever heard.
It was an Armenian team. They called themselves Sprinkle.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Love it.
Last game of the season, they didn't show up. They were 0-9.
They're in Burbank already at that point.
No,
They come back?
it was basically.
So how can I know you quickly enough? By the way, do you have an answer about Texas? What's your answer? Go yeehaw.
We're gonna go there and be aggressive.
When I'm going to yell about it.
Sam said, Mom. I threw we were in the swimming pool and I threw a splash ball. Mom, that was very aggressive. And I haven't stopped tuning her since. You're practicing your talk already for Texas, huh? Aggressive.
You gotta buy a gun. You just gotta say, I don't know, whatever the red leading people say.
What are you saying?
Lean into it. What a week of American politics we could have had if Trump was killed and Biden left office at the same time. Wouldn't that be just a wild week? We're very close to that.
He's gonna find out sometime this week if he can stay here a little longer, like go from home.
Mm-hmm.
Because originally they said January 1st to be there. He's gonna try to make them honor that.
Mm-hmm.
He just has to get
Go anywhere.
clarification if he can do that yet or not. If not, then looks like October.
Ooh, that's a very short turnaround time. Question for you then. Is it a situation where, so I've heard of stories about people being able to work from home and it coming to be in person like once a week, once a month. Is that a situation that could be, or is it personal on person?
So I think they said like, yeah, he could,
There you go.
what they're going to try to set up is work from home and then go to Texas like once a month or something, or as needed or whatever.
That would be a very reasonable compromise.
But only for 3 months. Then he'd have to go.
So he still has to be in person.
Yeah.
So
They would only be doing it to honor
their agreement.
their agreement.
Any Dave, I'll be ready.
Okay, so he can't work remotely. He's got to be
But
on
I'm
plan.
wondering if it worked. If he showed them that it worked,
Could he be willing?
could he?
Ryan, be ready.
But who knows?
What if he? Yeah, I mean, like in a perfect world, you could. What if he said, "I'll spend 1 week in Texas, 3 weeks in California"? That could be a solution if they're willing to compromise. If they go no, then that's it.
Well, what they're worried about is the travel, like
Travel
justifying the travel costs back and forth. Plus, he'd have to be compensated for the week he's supposed to be there. He'd have to be put up, and they'd have to fly him back and forth.
I can see that being an issue. Yeah, it's a valid concern. Obviously, if they won't split the cost, I'm sure they'd be much more agreeable to that. But again, that's losing profit. It's losing money for the same work. And so, it's a thought. I mean, those details I'm not privy to. The company will say X, Y, or Z.
Yeah.
We go.
So, TBD.
TJJ.
TBD. I'm gonna go get I'm gonna grab my gloves off the truck. I'll take the chair.
I would shoot. We'll take that.
Go.
You solid? Look out. Okay. pitch.
Hungry.
There you go!
That was a 4-1. Strike 2.
All right, 2. Take that one. Good call, Kevin. 9. 2 down. Good call, good call.
28-11 in the 3rd inning.
Dang, JJ!
There you go. Ball 1.
Almost.
Ball 3 1.
Watch.
There it goes.
Told you.
Up!
Nope.
Okay. No, hit!
3 runs. There we go. Take. Two on the way. We got 1 down. Ha! Let's go, Kev. Here we go. Hey! 9. Message in there somewhere. One down. Ball 2-1. Ball fair one. I read about yeah, dude. Hey, fuck yeah. We got 1 down. Okay. Out. 2 down. I know it's sick on Figueroa. Up. There we go. Yes.
Get up!
Go. Do it.
Steve called the game.
Go!
Ah.
Well, there's 2 minutes left. It's 31-14.
In the third inning.
Well, it's 2 minutes left. What are you gonna do?
We're down.
There's 2
Nice
minutes.
thing!
Walk to it. There one.
Get that.
Ball.
Strike two.
One down. Yes. Save. Time. Two down.
Hey, way to be up. Good look, Kevin.
Never thought I'd beat you. That's because he cheated.
Oh shit, it is.
There was 2 minutes left.
Me?
Uh-huh.
In the middle string, JJ.
Ball to one. There one. Good eye though. Good eye. There you go.
Any base?
Ball to one.
Frank,
Yes.
all that started because they had a double play ball.
Right.
It was the last out, and Jimmy was taking first.
Right.
The opponent said they're all yelling, now you down.
Nine.
Even later on, Jimmy told me they
Good.
ran first and foremost. Jimmy was sick.
Okay.
That's when the ground was started.
Right.
So that's what started it out.
I wouldn't worry about it.
You know,
Just
I couldn't tell if he was jumping up and down. You know, scared me at that time.
right.
I could not tell.
Just so you know, if you leave your feet, you're out.
Okay. But, you know, it was raining.
I mean,
I heard him
if
say
you
grab
leave your
his
feet to
grand
avoid
slam.
tag,
It
you're
is.
out.
You're out. Okay.
Period. Doesn't matter who does it.
I couldn't tell. It was just because,
That's
you know,
okay.
Victor's tall. They tagged him in the leg and then she dropped the ball. He was
But
hung
if you
to the-
went like, if you tried to jump over the glove and
I didn't see how he
okay.
That was a tough last.
Don't worry about it.
couldn't tell.
Don't worry about it.
All right, good night.
All right,
But
good night,
that
Steve.
started when
I
Jimmy
know.
was safe for the last out.
And even the first baseman told Jimmy they were safe. But they were all yelling already at that time.
Right.
All right, good night.
All right, see ya. Bye.
Get down.
Hell yeah, it will. But we had too many errors in that first one, second. First inning. Yeah. Killed us. I lead off with an inside the park home run team. Right. Have all those errors.
All right, later, Felipe. You too.
Here we go.
Nova. Are you fucking kidding me? Nova pitching the fucking lowers? Jesus. It's like asking Fernando to pitch in lowers and Roman. That's funny. Out, ball game.
Go! Bogey! Here you go. Here you go. Good shit, baby. I'll get it, Phil. I'll get it.